What's up, guys? Today I got a video about a Nintendo 64 emulator called Project 64. So you would just hit download. I downloaded it and it takes you to the screen. You'd save it, just run through the wizard real quick. It's really simple, and then you get taken to here. So first thing that you're going to want to do is go to options and change your graphic stuff. So I actually already changed mine. It would be set to like 640 by 480. I changed all mine in here, turned up to MSAA, turned filtering on, enabled VSync. Um, so then the next thing that you're going to want to do is just save that, close that, right? And then you're going to want to go to input settings, and this is where if you had a controller plugged in, you just remap your controller real quick. It's actually very simple. And so that would just take a few minutes. You just plug in your controller, it would pop up right here. You'd be able to customize everything. And then the last thing that you're going to want to do is after you open a game, you hit open ROM and then you open your game, you're going to want to hit full screen, and then it'll just be in full screen, as many frames as the emulator can put out. Most of the time it's 1080p. So yeah, this video is fairly simple. There's not that much to it. You can also enter full screen mode for here, if you don't want to hit it every time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Last thing to add is you can choose your ROM directory. So you basically just pick the place in your drive where all your ROMs are, and they will just pop up right here in the middle of the thing, and you'll just be able to click on them from there. So yeah, you guys have a wonderful day.